Hey, it's Alex, the CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. And it's SEMA 2019, and we're at the show covering the best new products and the best builds we can find. Now, the Toyota A90 Supra is all over the place here. There's so many builds you can't even swing a cat without hitting one. And like we said in our must-have mods video, the brakes are a weak point on the Supra. You're going to want a brake upgrade kit if you're doing any serious mods whatsoever. And we're in the R1 Concepts booth here to take a look at some of their new products for the A90 Supra. If you're ready to improve the braking performance of your A90, but you don't want to do the full big brake kit, R1 Concepts is going to be introducing full rotor replacement packs. Now, they have two options for you. Single one-piece rotors that are cross-drilled, slotted, and vented, so they're going to be much better than the OEM rotors. They're also offering a two-piece rotor, which is going to make the rotor a little bit lighter, and it's going to increase the heat dissipation. If you're ready to go for the full big boy brake upgrade and do calipers and rotors, R1 Concepts has a number of different options for you. And I'm going to start with the rear kit because R1 Concepts is the first to release a rear brake upgrade kit for the A90 Supra, and it includes this 4-piston caliper, 330mm rotor, and of course it works with the electric e-brake, and that's the first kit on the market for that. And so that's the front, that's the rear option. On the front, you have three separate options, okay? With the 19-inch wheels that come stock on your Supra, you're going to want to look at the 356mm rotor with their 6-piston caliper, right? Massive increase in braking performance from OEM. You also have two additional options. With the same 6-piston caliper, you can go up to a 365mm rotor. And if you've got wheels big enough, you can go to the 380mm rotor with the 8-piston caliper set. So prices on these kits are going to range around $3,000 to $5,000 for front only or the full kit. All of them are going to be available on Motoroso.com, where you can browse this and over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping's always free with no minimum. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all of our other SEMA coverage, and thanks for watching.